Shed. Look at the cat! Shut up! Ta. That is where the ta. Look, it was made in 2020 monkey. What's the sound? Play it or else. It's been a while. Hello. Zion.
Detective Steve Johnson from the sheriff's
Rashid,
office.
are you online?
I am. I just want to ask you a few questions, okay?
Sige lang kaging linog. Linog. Daw bonge. Tike.
Do you understand that you're injured? Do you know what happened?
Rashid! Why are you so soft?
Do you recall?
It's been a while I haven't played this. And I'm still freaking poppy. Can you please the sound. The sound. The sound. Where the sound?
I think that's enough for one day. Wait.
Hello, ugly! Rashid, shut up, shut up. You hear the sound.
Ashley,
Looks like a
you're
no.
a very,
What's that?
very brave girl. I'm gonna leave you alone now.
I can't jump. Hey, different.
When I was playing the game, I thought a full army of new tissues.
Saman.
Kitan.
Gani.
Kitan.
Huh.
When I was playing the game, I saw a lot of tissues army. Kitan, when I was playing the game, I saw tissue army. Kitan.
I should tell what this.
Click it.
Ta.
We're gonna work on fine motor skills.
Ay.
Ta. Good luck, my friend. Shut up, lah. Shut up. Ta. Rashid, where the heck are you?
Then go to Slurpee.
There, ta. Where the heck are you? Where the fuck are you?
Remember your breathing. Okay?
Fuck are you?
Good posture. Through the nose.
Mi palis na mil lalili
There's a monster! There's a monster.
I want you to give the ball.
Ta.
Please.
Ta, Rashid! Ling.
Don't think too much.
Why in the box then looking? Why in the box then right there?
I'm surrounded by idiots.
Come here!
Puro lang mga boxes.
Then, but I'm the one. Puro lang ang mga boys. And then ako lang isang girl. Like, yeah.